Thunderstorms coming. Have a look at this radar picture. This is the channel radar. It shows where the showers developed through this afternoon. The red shows heavy showers and thunderstorms, most of them at the moment over France, but they are stretching their way northwards just now. And we can see the extent of that on the latest thunderstorm charts running down through into central parts of France. Some of those are quite heavy and they're continuing to drift their way northwards. In fact, I can do better than that. We can get in much closer now and have a look and see they're coming over the Cherbourg Peninsula, pushing their way now up across in towards the Isle of Wight, and will continue to feed their way northwards, I think, through this evening and through tonight. Tonight then pushing up further north, getting across East Anglia, the Midlands, with some rain further west than that too. Now I think we're likely to see the storms, or most likely to see them, through the Midlands, through the southeast, across into East Anglia. A good 50–60% chance there, perhaps a 40% chance of anybody seeing the storms later on across up in towards Lincolnshire as well. Now I don't want you to get away with the idea that we're all going to get storms. There will be some drier interludes as well right the way through up the Midlands, but if you catch a storm tonight, it could be quite a heavy one. There could be some quite severe thunderstorms around, heavy rain. As I say, central and southern parts of England through this afternoon, through this evening, particularly the southeast, central, southern, and then moving northwards through the course of the night. Very sticky night down in the south, but a lot cooler than that, as you can see further north. That's the line of the rain and storms by midday tomorrow. That's going to continue to feed its way away northwards, I think. So tomorrow we're going to see the showery outbreak, still perhaps 1 or 2 storms left in that position, brighter to the north, becoming fresher and drier and brighter to the south too, and that fresher weather beginning to push its way across most parts of the country during tomorrow, not up into eastern and northeastern parts of Scotland. And then temperatures, well, much fresher. 23 degrees, for instance, is 73 degrees Fahrenheit. By the time we come to Sunday, still some showery outbreaks in that northeastern part to start with. They'll be clearing away. Most places on Sunday, though, dry and fresher with some sunshine, but we're going to find some showery outbreaks of rain coming into many central and western parts through the day. Well, that's the way they'll develop and move northwards. Patience has now been rewarded. Look at the latest thunderstorm chart and you can see them beginning to come in across southern parts of the country. There's been some heavy ones down near the Isle of Wight with some hail mixed in them. And the radar confirms them, as you can see on the radar, pushing its way northwards, coming up in towards the London area now. And in fact, if we get in a little bit closer, that's where the rain is, the red showing down to the south. There's still a lot of rain to push northwards, and another batch of rain around the Winchester area. And certainly I think these showers and storms are going to continue to work their way northwards tonight, particularly over East Anglia, down through the Midlands and the southeast as well, with some patchier rain further northwest. So certainly central southern England, the southeast England, the Midlands and East Anglia, that's the area where there could be some hazardous driving conditions. But it's not going to be rain everywhere. There will be some drier patches mixed in it, but if you catch a downpour, it could be quite a nasty one. And that's stretching later right up through the Midlands, across in towards East Anglia as well. And it's in the southeastern part of the country where it's going to stay very humid right the way through the night. Now this is the weather front. We're tying in with those stormy fronts. That's going to push its way northwards, and as you can see, getting out of the way by the end of Sunday. Little high pressure tucking in behind, with this weather front then coming in behind it as well. So we pick up the showers, perhaps even still a bit of thunder. Southern parts of Scotland down through northeast England, might even be a little bit further south first thing tomorrow morning, but brighter in the north, except in Shetland, and brighter weather in the southeast too. That's going to push its way up across in towards southern Scotland, Northern Ireland by the end of the day. Another way of showing that is the winds. The easterly winds show the very humid weather, the thundery weather, and the fresher weather shown by those southwesterlies continuing to push its way up. Temperatures tomorrow are much fresher, 23 down in the south. And then on Sunday, sunshine. There will be some showers in the northeast and then some breaking out over central and western parts. And Monday as well, a day of sunshine and showers. Well, that's the forecast. Bye for now.